In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prioritize your tasks in Todoist. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to manage your daily activities more efficiently using priority levels. To begin, once you're logged into your Todoist account, you'll find yourself at the home screen. From here, you're set to either create a new task or choose an existing one that you'd like to prioritize. Let's start by looking at how you can create a new task. If you're beginning from scratch, you'll want to click the option to add a task. You'll usually find this button represented by a plus icon on the interface. It's as simple as typing in the name of your task and any details you'd like to include. However, if you already have a list of tasks and are looking to rearrange priorities, you'll need to navigate directly to the specific task that you wish to adjust. The next important step in this process involves using the flag icon within Todoist. This flag icon allows you to set priority levels for each of your tasks. This feature is crucial for effectively managing your workload because it visually categorizes your tasks based on their urgency and importance. Todoist simplifies this by offering quick command options. By typing P1, P2, or P3 directly into the task field, you can swiftly set your desired priority without navigating through additional menus. It's a small but mighty tip that can significantly save you time, especially if you're handling numerous tasks throughout your day. Remember, prioritizing tasks isn't a one-time event. It's dynamic and can change as your schedule evolves. Tasks may shift in importance over time, and that's perfectly normal. This is why it's reassuring to know that you can modify the priority of any task at any point. Simply click on the flag icon while editing the task to make adjustments as necessary. This flexibility ensures that your task list remains relevant and accurately reflects your current needs. By setting appropriate priorities, you ensure that you're concentrating on the tasks that indeed matter most at any given time. Todoist provides you with the tools to make this process effortless and intuitive. This practice not only streamlines your workflow, but also enhances your productivity significantly. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to utilize these techniques in your daily routine to harness the full power of Todoist. By doing so, you'll find yourself on the path to a more organized and effective day-to-day experience.